So these are fenders, inner fenders that I've designed. I'll also put these up on Armory. Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC and welcome to the next part of this TRX4M Defender build series. In this part of the build series, we'll just kind of go over some of the changes I've made recently to this TRX4M Defender, mostly scale details, and we'll take a look at what all that entails. Now the first thing I've done is, as you can tell, this is no longer that silver gray TRX4M Defender. This is also not one of the stock colors for the Traxxas TRX4M. I basically took a can of Krylon Fusion matte ink blue, and I removed the cage. I removed all the fenders and details and whatnot, and I just painted the body the color that most of my other rigs are, like my Land Cruiser and my RC 4-wheel drive Defender D90. So this is the color, and you can see turned out pretty well. I like it. So no longer silver gray Defender. That's the first change I made. I repainted the body. Now you'll also notice that there are a few scale 3D printed details on here. If you remember stock, these are stickers. I found a 3D print online on Thingiverse. I'll put a link to that in the description below. But I printed the vents for the front, the hood area. Well, it's not really the hood, but basically just the front. These two vents. I replaced the stickers with those, the 3D printed parts. I also found this file on Thingiverse, this tracks, and along with the mount for the tracks. I'll put a link to this in the description below as well, but gives it a nice scale detail. You can see here, kind of looks nice. It hides like the empty part of the rear, because I think that's where the ESC is and all the wires are sticking out. So this is kind of nice to hide those wires. And you also notice I've got a driver figure and interior, both of which I found on Thingiverse, I believe. The driver I did have to scale down. It wasn't originally, or was it scale up? Either scale down or scale up. I don't remember what. The driver wasn't originally for this TRX4M. I just found the driver figure, chopped it off at the waist, and stuck it on the TRX4M interior, which I did find on Thingiverse. So the TRX4M interior I did find on Thingiverse. See here. So looks a lot better with the driver figure in there and an interior. So it kind of gives that more scale appearance. You're no longer seeing an empty body shell with just wires sticking out underneath in there. So that's cool. What else? Oh, so on this side we've got a multi panel. So this one I actually designed. I will put this up on Armory RC for purchase, but it clips right onto the cage, and it also hides the empty rear there. So another thing. And not only that, you'll also notice I've now got inner fenders, which I've also designed as well. So these are fenders, inner fenders that I've designed. I'll also put these up on Armory RC. I'll put a link to all that in the description below. But basically, it closes off the inner fenders, so you no longer see the interior. So it doesn't bug you as much. Also made a allowance for the battery strap, so that just goes through there. That's what that is. Let's open it up, take a look. So you see here, here's the inner fenders. These are specifically for the Defender body, and I guess it'll give you, some areas to mount things if you want to. You could, you know what, I should probably make some rock light holes in here. So my final version of these, I will add rock light holes in there. So if you want to add rock lights to the fenders, add LEDs in there, you will have the option of mounting up some LEDs there for rock lights. So I will do that in the final version. But there it is, inner fenders. So all of this just to make this already scaled TRX4M Defender a lot more scale looking. Other than that, I don't think I have anything else. That's all there is for this part of the build series. Here's a printed set of these inner fenders right here. So I will make a final version with rock light holes in there. But that's about it. So you'll find all the link for all these parts I recently added to in the description below in this video. But otherwise, stay tuned for further updates on this TRX4M Defender. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.